the most important thing in yoga, breathing. So find a comfortable position and you breathe in and out. In and out. Stretch your arms and put your arms up. Breathe in and out. Okay, now the first stretching. Let's start with a very intense stretch from our legs. So put your leg here and stretch. Very good, guys. So if you're more flexible, you can come down. Very good. And then you can grab your ankle and you can come down even more. I really love doing yoga in the nature. Okay, so come on up, guys. And now you can do an easy split before you change your leg, right? So now your left leg. Very good. Grab your ankle. And enjoy. Feel the stretch here. Very good. So we're almost done. Spread your legs one last time. If you're doing yoga in the nature like I do, feel the nature around you, underneath you, the grass and the sky above you. Put your hands up. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.